welcome to my office.
So can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Sure. My name is Georjeanna, and it's spelled weird, but it's my mom and dad's middle names, George and Jean, stuck together. So that's how I got my name, Georjeanna. Wilson-Doenges is my last name. I am the chair of the psychology department and also a professor. So I teach social science statistics, a course that students really don't want to take, but end up hopefully loving it.
Can you tell me the story behind why you have so many Pokémon in your office?
Yes, I can. Part of my stats class, there's Greek symbols, and one of them is Mew, which is also the name of this fabulous Pokemon character, Mew. These two were a gift from a student, as well as the foil card of Mew. Check that out. So you'll notice that there's a lot of travel things and a lot of nature things. It's something that really means a lot to me. And I have some travel collectibles and also some pictures from my travels. I led a trip to South Africa with 20 students for 3 years with Dr. Cupid. It was such a fabulous trip.
Do you have a favorite spot in Green Bay for nature?
I love the East River Trail. I walk my dog Bo. I walk it twice a day every day.